Welcome to Siargao! Welcome to Siargao! Welcome to our island adventure!
You shone as bright as the city before us.
Dito kami sa Magpupungko. Daming tao dito.
Low tide.
Look at this. At low tide pa kasi, kaya ang sarap mag-swimming.
Now tell me you feel it, tell me you know it, tell me you're cold and tell me I'm water, and you just keep drowning. Days of thunder I hear, they come when you're near. Why must all that I touch always fall into dust?
Kami sa Secret Lagoon.
Are fluid like the ocean waters, but you only crave for solid ground.
Ito po ang dulo ng
Ano yung tawag?
cruising.
Diba?
And this is the Secret Lagoon. So we're back at the hotel. Ito po yung accommodation namin for 2 days.
2 days.
Check natin.
2 days lang? And 2 nights?
I mean, 2 nights and 3 days. So, welcome to our Siargao house.
Dudong and Duday.
Oh my God.
I'm here.
Something on your mind is the comfort I can offer. Just this once for the city before us.
Good morning. This is day 2 in Siargao. Ang sakit ng katawan namin, but this is another day, another adventure. Okay? Kaya pa? And today is we're doing island hopping.
Tell me I matter. I'll keep you from drowning. Days of thunder I hear, they come when you're near. Why must all that I touch always fall into dust? Like the ocean waters, you only crave for solid ground.
Kakarating namin sa aming unang island, guys. Bibilang kami ngayon ng 7,107 islands. And this is our first stop sa aming island hopping dito sa Siargao, and it's so ang linaw ng tubig, and this is called the Naked Island of Siargao. Dito nga kami sa Naked Island at ang ganda, ang linaw, so crystal clear.
Tara doon.
Yes, sakit lang mag-picture-picture kami.
May pula yung ano ko.
Hindi masyadong crowded ang island, kaya so kukunti lang kayo sa island. lilibutin namin ang buong 7,107 na islands ng Pilipinas.
Gusto ko muna Pangasinan. Para bawas ng ulan yan.
Pero seriously guys, ang ganda ng napuntahan namin. So off to the next island, and here we go.
I am sat here thinking of you once again.
So nandito kami sa Daco Island guys, and this is our second island dito sa Siargao. Kaharap namin ang mainland Siargao. Ito yung medyo malaki-laking isla din. And dito na kami magla-lunch. Nagpaluto na kami, bumili kami ng isda at saka pork chop dun sa mainland Siargao. Tapos dito na namin pinaluto. Tapos nag-rent na rin kami ng cottage at pinaluto na namin dun. And later on, magla-lunch tayo, babe. Kasama namin si Kuya, ang nagdala sa amin dito sa napakagandang isla. Napakagandang mga isla ng Siargao.
They all make sense. Counting down the days to call you mine, mine. In the end, I know that we will be just fine, just fine. What I found in you, I know it's hard to find. You're my world, my everything. You are my life. You
Tapos na kami mag-lunch dito sa Daco Island. Now off to another island.
Ano pangalan nun?
Anong pangalan ng next island kaya? Anong? Yung sunod? Guyam Island.
Baby, yung
Now we're off to Guyam Island. So dito kami in the middle of the ocean kasi sobrang babaw ng tubig. Babe, tingin. Ang iba dyan, takot na sa init. This is our boat. Yan yung sinakyan namin.
from the moment that we met. The sparkle in your eye, I can't forget. Every single day, you know you shine, shine. In the end, I know that we will be just fine, just fine. What I found in you, I know it's hard to find.
So kakarating namin sa aming next island, ang Guyam Island. Ang liit lang niya. Ito sa likod ko, sobrang linaw ng tubig at excited na naman ako maligo. back here sa ating accommodation. And it was so tired. So bukas maaga kaming aalis, and kahit sunog yung balat namin sa sobrang init dito kakadrive ng motor, sobrang saya na experience namin ni babe dito. So hopefully makabalik kami dito for another night.